presenting to you the much anticipated new Peugeot 2008. Coming to the most crucial point, this car is priced at 125,888 before insurance and road tax, inclusive of 5 years warranty program, 3 years free service maintenance package. It is indeed a very competitive deal in the market, which we strongly believe that it will win many new friends in the very near future. The introduction of new flagship outlet and the new Peugeot 2008 further establishes Burma's Auto Alliance commitment towards developing Peugeot brand, model range, and to provide the best ownership experience at every customer touch point in the purchase life cycle. What I mean is, from the point of purchase, the after-sales service, right through the next purchase decision. We are there for
a wonderful sharing. Next, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to...
Thank you very much, Dato' Wong, and good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be here again, together with our partner Bernaz Auto, to launch the new and beautiful 2008. As you know, I am Christophe Musi, and I am Senior Vice President for the ASEAN region at Stellantis.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the new Peugeot 2008. It's a B-segment crossover in today's market. It is focused on sleek design and an instinctive driving experience. On the design, it is an inspired style which has earned it the prestigious Red Dot Winner Award of 2020. Now on to some key highlights. Our new 2008 comes in one variant, the Allure, shown here in our orange fusion color. It is powered by the multiple-year award-winning 1.2-liter PureTech turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, delivering 130 horsepower and 230 Newton-meters of torque. This is performance equivalent to that of a 1.6-liter engine, but with the efficiency of a smaller engine. The new 2008 comes with a signature Peugeot i-cockpit, which consists of driver-centric elements such as the compact steering wheel, a head-up instrument cluster, and closely positioned driving instruments such as the infotainment system, really floating effect. While the infotainment is a 7-inch display featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, for modern connectivity needs driver assist systems, including blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, which applies corrective steering to keep the car within the lane, and active safety brake, which is the AEB system by Peugeot and is capable of detecting vehicles and pedestrians. Okay.
And then to the right, okay? So yang bermain atas street venue and Mr. Christophe, could you please look to the side? Just turn your body a little bit to the